Welcome to an overview of Click Research software. I'm Tracie Groves, and I'm here to give you an overview of the software that we use for research management at the University at Buffalo. First, some background about Click. The Click portal is a comprehensive software for managing research and streamlining workflow and compliance for research. The Click portal was implemented to assist principal investigators, students, compliance, and research administration staff with administering sponsored programs. The University of Buffalo is leading the implementation of the Click portal, working in collaboration with our vendor partner Huron and the Research Foundation's leadership team. The Click portal automates the submission, review, and approval processes while managing all major administrative aspects for the research and compliance lifecycle, starting with proposal development all the way through to eventual project closeout. The Click portal improves research submission efficiency with 6 different modules that integrate with one another. These 6 modules represent 6 different aspects of research management. They are agreements, conflict of interest, grants, IACUC, IRB, and safety. Each of these modules utilizes smart form system. Smart forms are a series of forms where you input specific information about a study, and based on your responses, it will determine what forms or questions you complete next. These smart forms improve the efficiency and completion of research submission and review. One important note is that completing elements of the smart forms or clicking finish does not necessarily send a submission for review. The PI typically must click submit on the workspace after completing the smart forms in order to proceed on to the next state of review. The first module we'll discuss is the Agreements module. The Agreements module in Click provides electronic system management for research-related contracts and agreements. These include sponsor research agreements, material transfer agreements, clinical trial agreements, non-disclosure agreements, and other documents useful for reviews and negotiation. The benefits of the module is that it provides customized submission forms for various agreement types. It eliminates the risk of storing information in individual email accounts, and it interfaces with other modules, making simple tracking of relationships to studies and grant awards. 2 offices at UB currently provide oversight for the agreements process. The Office of Sponsored Project Services, or SBS, assists researchers to prepare and submit proposals for sponsored funding and provides management of awarded funds to ensure compliance with applicable regulations and policies. The Office of Science, Technology Transfer, and Economic Outreach, or STORE, negotiates and executes all material transfer agreements and non-disclosure agreements, in keeping with the university's research guidelines and its obligations to federal research sponsors. The Conflict of Interest module provides an electronic system for management of research-related conflict of interest disclosures. It ensures the prevention of bias and helps avoid a circumstance in which a researcher's personal interest or relationships might compromise the integrity of research at the university. The compliance team and conflict of interest officer carefully reviews these disclosures, effectively manages all conflicts, and reports to appropriate federal agencies as needed. Each investigator must submit a disclosure statement that includes information pertaining to their significant financial interests, or SFIs, and sponsored travel that may be related to their research. They must do this annually, prior to submitting human subject protocols for review, when submitting a grant application for research, and immediately upon discovering or acquiring a new SFI. The Grants module provides an electronic system for the management of grant award applications, budgets, milestones, contract terms, subrecipients, and compliance status. It ensures consistent processes and reminders to researchers and staff for pending work items. It integrates grant processes with key compliance issues such as IRB and COI. The Office of Sponsored Project Services helps develop grant proposals, reviews and submits sponsored funding proposals, and assists in managing grant awards. The benefits of the CLIC Grants module is that it ensures submissions are accurate and complete. It standardizes budget preparation and review, and it integrates with existing accounting and HR systems. The iCook module provides an electronic system for management of the use of animal subjects in scientific and educational activities. It provides access to species, procedures, substances, training information, and inspections. It assists in the creation of reports. The Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee, or IACUC, reviews and approves all animal research to maintain nationally established standards to ensure that the university's research methods are ethical and compliant. The benefit of the IACUC module is that it provides a streamlined way for researchers to create and submit protocols for studies involving animal subjects. It provides support for initial submissions, amendments, inspections, and annual and triennial reviews. It allows for the reporting of concerns regarding possible violations of ethical conduct that governs the use of animal subjects in scientific and educational studies. It ensures compliance with federal regulations and regulatory reporting requirements, and it provides a library of standard substances and procedures. The IRB module provides a streamlined way for researchers to create and submit protocols for studies involving human subjects. It initiates and provides support for new studies, modifications or continuing reviews, and reportable new information. The Institutional Review Board approves, modifies, or rejects proposed research based on its perceived risks and benefits to the prospective subjects. The benefits of the CLIC IRB module is that it ensures compliance standards and it reduces approval turnaround time. Finally, the safety module provides a way for researchers to identify any hazardous material that would be part of an experimental protocol. This includes biosafety hazards, radiation, chemicals, and stem cells. The Environment, Health and Safety EHS department anticipates, recognizes, evaluates, and controls all safety hazards at the university while striving to protect human health and the environment. The benefits of the CLIC safety module is that it ensures adherence to NIH and other federal, state, and local regulations. It allows the tracking of safety protocols in parallel with IRB and IACUC protocols, and it contains full review, committee, and meeting management functionality. CLIC accounts are created for faculty and staff of the University at Buffalo for access to the CLIC portal. Logging into the system is done by using your UBIT name and password. If you don't already have an account, navigate to the link provided here and locate the Register for CLIC box on the right side of the page. Complete the Request Account form and then click Register. Shortly after doing this, you should receive an email notification that your account has been activated. Training is provided on each of these CLIC modules. For more information, navigate to the link provided here, scroll down through the active modules to see all of the available trainings, or feel free to reach out with other questions or training requests. Again, my name is Tracie Groves and my contact information is provided here. Please feel free to reach out anytime with any CLIC-related questions or concerns or training needs. I hope that you found this overview helpful, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone.